What is up, everybody? So this is my C5 and I just got a mod that's going to change how my car drives dramatically. So recording this now, I already have the mod in the car, but it is driving amazing and I freaking love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend to everyone, but yeah, let's get into it. So now in this box is my brand new MGW short shifter, and this is going to change like how my car drives dramatically. Now, I'm not really that big of a fan of how long the C5 shifting is. Mine's actually the C6 shifter. I'm not sure if it's the C6 linkage, but like, I'm not a fan of it. I don't like how long it is. I'm gonna show you all in a second. But yeah, this will help a lot. One of my friends is an MGW, not MGW, a Hearst. He has a Mustang, but he has a short shifter, and dude, it's so nice. So yeah, I'm hoping this is gonna like change the whole like driving experience a lot more, make it more like engaging and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how short it is, or how long it is right now. So like I said, this is the C6 shifter and it's really comfortable, yeah, but I don't like how long the throw is. I don't know if you can tell, but it's long and it's not the loosest thing ever, but it's also not the tightest. First can be awkward for me sometimes. Second, chill. But fifth is where I really hate. I've heard that, I don't know if it's really accurate, but I've heard that it can be a little harder in the short shifter because it's really tight. But as you see, I hate going into fifth. Fifth is like, I don't know if it's because I'm still relatively new. I've been driving it for 6 months. This is my first manual. But since reverse is like right next to fifth, I get scared. I'm throwing it in reverse, right? I'm going from fourth to fifth, especially if I'm doing a pull. So this will hopefully solve the issue. Plus, it's just gonna look sick. It looks really clean, and it'll just make the car drive relatively better, you know? I'm not gonna lie to y'all and said the box is hasn't been opened. I mean, I've already opened it. I'm not gonna show all the back because of the address, but yeah, I'm gonna cut when the shifter is installed, and I'm not gonna show me doing it. I'm gonna get back to y'all, and most likely I'm gonna do the drive tomorrow because it's already late and it's dark and who wants to watch in the dark. So yeah, let's get to that.
A few moments later.
Hey, yo, Richard!
What's up, everybody? So this is my C5 Corvette, and I just got a mod that changed how this car drives completely. And it's this mod right here. This is my brand new MGW short shifter. I've got to drive it for a few hours, and I've had it for a few days now. So I have, you know, some experience with it. So far, I love it a lot. It's very short, very precise and mechanical. I am gonna put a bushing, the anti-venom mod into it because it's kind of hard to get into fifth. I'll show you all in a second. But it looks great. I love it a lot. Like, I love the metal they use. I love the silver with the black ball. And it just feels really great in my hand, especially from my last shifter that was really tight, as y'all saw earlier in the video. But man, it's so short. And just feels very rewarding every single time you shift. So I'm gonna show y'all first through six real quick. First, second, fifth, and sixth. And then you got reverse all the way over here. Just look how tight it is. And I'm very glad reverse is hard to get into because one of my fears was going fourth to reverse after a pull because they're really close to each other, as you see. But with this mod, I feel confident rolling through the gears, so I don't really worry about that. The only issue is going into fifth for me because it's really tight, especially when you're driving. It's different sitting here, but I've put it in third instead of fifth on accident. I don't really like that, so I'm gonna put the bushing in it. Just one, because I still want it to feel mechanical. I don't want it to be loose, because that's kind of the whole reason why I bought this. So in just a minute, I'm gonna give y'all a POV drive, except I don't have a GoPro, so I'm gonna be holding it. But it is very nice. Like, I'm very glad I did the upgrade. It's worth it. It's $500, but it is worth it. I'm gonna be putting it down in the description, so if y'all are interested. But I mean, yeah, it's really nice. Like, even there, I just got stuck going into 5th. It feels really good. It comes with some Dynamat, by the way, so makes it a little quieter in here. We did also put some Dynamat in this, but besides that, it's a great product. Like I said in my first video, my gas is very expensive, so if you're worried about gas prices, don't buy a Corvette. Thank y'all for all the support I've been receiving on my last videos. I have a new video that's gonna be coming out soon. This mod that I've been waiting for a long time is coming in, and then I'm saving up for another mod too. So more videos, more content. So make sure y'all like and subscribe. And yeah, I had fun making this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah. And if y'all are new here, yes, it is Cam. So I will appreciate if y'all put in the comments video ideas too, other than mods and spending money. Let me know if y'all want any like vlogs or more cinematic, just hanging out with friends or POV drives. Just let me know.